guys, welcome back to the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and I hope y'all, he said say y'all, hope y'all are having a good day. But before we get into the video, and by the way, System Test 44, I'm joined by...
Fire Alarm Guy 13.
Alright, so, let's do the system. Now, it's going to be an interesting system, I think. I think y'all are going to like this one. Hopefully this becomes popular. You already saw the pole station. We got a, MH501, something like that. And as you can see, it's not the standard fire pole station. It's by Pyrotronics. It says 2-release Halon fire extinguishing system. So, on a typical system, you pull this and the Halon alarm things go off, and they'll probably say agent or whatever, or Halon. So, going up, we have our junction box, like usual. Looks like crap, but oh well. And then we have my Wheelock AS on 75 candela, code 3 low volume. Then over here, we have my Wheelock NS fixed 75 candela, and it's also on code 3. I think it's low volume also, but I'm not sure. I might have gotten it on high volume, but I don't know. So, and then we have the i3, like typical. I need my little screwdriver to activate it. But, I'm going to set this here. And we're going to pull the pole station. Pull the fire alarm. Let's do this thing. 3. Oh, wait, hold on. I need to say something. Don't pull fire alarms in real buildings. That's not cool. Anyway, 3, 2, 1. Yes, you are. And as y'all saw, we have the model number in there. And I got the model number correctly. That's surprising. So now we're going to go to the smoke detector. Activated. Maybe I can go over here. I have 2 choices for the thumbnail today. Haha. Or I'll use both. Alright, so I think that's everything I need to show for this video. Do you have anything to say before I cut this video off?
Don't pull fire alarms in a real building, you'll get in trouble, yada yada yada.
Alright, that's
Subscribe
very true.
to me.
Yeah, subscribe to me,
Get
subscribe to him.
Subscribers.
Check out both of our channels, obviously, you know. Get my one video to 1K views. It has like 8 views off of it. So, yeah, first one. Woohoo! Alright, so anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace. Hey guys, welcome back to the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video will be system test with 43? Yeah, 43. So, but before we get into the test, I'm joined by...
Fire Alarm Guy 13.
Actually, I'm going to make sure, and I'm going to end this video, and we're going to do it again.